How much you want to bet you will watch this video and quit your job right after it from what I show you?
You want to bet?
I just made over $1 million. So freaking easy. Look at this tax return.
You remember when you were a kid?
Imagine an Easter egg hunt, but it's online. Instead of the candy, you find cash. This is the same feeling. A real oasis for affiliate cash rewards, and you get your hands on it. Look, my first year online, I made $151,934 just using the internet. Look at my tax return. My fourth year, I made $1,216,000.
Check out this tax return.
You add them all together, it's over $9 million. My first corporate tax return was in 2006. What the hell?
Go down to the garage.
In the living room. When this happens to you, it's just insane. You're shocked for years.
This is what it's like to be a super affiliate.
I found a sick niche after I was poor my whole life, and then it lasted 6 years. Internet marketing.
All right, so let's go back up. I want to show you some stuff.
Yeah, I'm Jamie. I'm not an actor like these gurus in the business opportunity videos. I'm an everyday dude that makes money on the internet, and I've been doing it since 2004. I made a few $1,000,000, and I'm looking to give back to people just like you. So I don't need your money. It's not like one of those videos. I hate gurus, and you should too.
I slam them on forums and I expose their tactics weekly.
Never buy a guru product again is my best advice. If you're looking for the video with the professional backdrop, the actor, the promises of generalized words like wealth that could mean anything,
Leave now. I mean, don't tell me you believe that stuff.
with the fake screenshots, the scammers that give internet marketing a bad name, I'm here to set the record straight. They don't show you their actual tax returns, right? You know I'm not using Photoshop.
So look, check it out. This is definitely not a page like that. I don't want you to think it is. I only do the real life stuff.
And this is what a ClickBank top 10 marketer looks like. I quit my job when I was 27 and never worked again. I was a normal kid, got his hands on the right niches in the beginning, and I was hooked. So, some people make autopilot income. A lot of it, while other people try their darned hardest and they don't make a penny, right? And so, the question is, what's the difference? I'll tell you. The super affiliate was shown the inside story. It's the same inside story that you get personally from an established person. Meanwhile, the guy who failed watched videos, read ebooks, and surfed YouTube. That's the other guy who didn't make a penny. You want to try any of them methods? Good luck. You just want to dabble in it, read books, waste time, that's exactly what you'll get. And trust me, this approach will waste your time and money. This really isn't about me, it is much rather about you.
Now, have you missed your chance? Is it really all over? Well, see, although the internet boom might be over, you have one very important advantage. Something that gives you the edge in online marketing. And let's call it your secret weapon.
And as you probably heard, yes, this is the original site, the goldmine that everybody's been talking about. I'll tell you a little bit about why it's such a goldmine. I took 30 students and I made them 7-figure juggernauts. The class was originally built for 30 people, and I showed them the steps to online wealth, and it damn near blew the roof off. They just keep making money. Unfortunately, my original class had sold out, but now this video represents how and why my students were able to make that much money. I make up to $38,829 from the comfort of my own home. I don't have an office, practically no overhead, and I don't have any boss telling me what to do. I decide how much money I want to make and how long I want to work.
If you do a search for me on the internet, you'll find tons of information about how I made millions of dollars through affiliate sales and was quickly recognized as the #1 marketer on ClickBank and featured on national television shows.
But what I'm